This $1,500 electric bike just smoked a $5,000 one in a speed and range test. So I've found 5 e-bikes that completely destroy expensive models. Let's get into it. Gosio Fat Tire Electric Bike. Starting at number 5, the Gosio Fat Tire Electric Bike. This is the entry point on this list, and it already makes expensive e-bikes look embarrassing. Fat tire design built for terrain that would stop most bikes cold. Snow, mud, gravel, sand, this thing rolls through all of it without drama. The motor pushes enough power to handle hills and rough surfaces without slowing down. The battery gives you real-world range that covers actual daily use, not the inflated numbers brands put on spec sheets to make sales. The removable battery means you charge it inside your home or office without wheeling the entire bike to an outlet. The frame is solid, the build doesn't feel like a compromise, and the fat tires give you a ride quality that absorbs bumps in a way that thin tire bikes simply cannot manage at any price. At this price point for a fat tire e-bike with this build quality, this is where the list starts, and it's already a strong starting point. Number 4, Ebike Ranger All-Terrain E-Bike. And this one means business from the moment you look at it. Full suspension front and rear. That is the first thing that separates this from bikes costing twice the price. Most budget e-bikes give you front suspension and call it done. The Ebike Ranger absorbs hits from both ends, which means technical trails, potholes, and rough commutes don't beat you up the way they normally would. The all-terrain capability here is genuine. This isn't a marketing label slapped on a bike that handles mild gravel. The Ranger is built for riders who actually want to go off-road and need a bike that keeps up. Removable battery for easy charging, solid motor output for both off-road climbs and flat commutes. The build quality sits noticeably above what the price suggests. And that gap between what it costs and what it feels like is exactly why this made the list. If you want full suspension, all-terrain capability without the $5,000 price tag, the Ebike Ranger delivers it straight out of the box. Number 3. Jassian EB7 Electric Bike. The Jassian EB7, UL certified, and that matters more than most people realize. UL certification means the bike's electrical system has been independently tested and verified for safety. Most cheap e-bikes skip this entirely. The Jassian EB7 didn't. That alone puts it in a different category from the majority of budget options flooding the market right now. Removable battery, front suspension, a motor that handles both city commuting and light trail riding without asking you to choose one or the other. The frame is built for adults who want a reliable daily rider, not a toy that feels unstable above 15 miles per hour. The range is honest, the speed is consistent, and the overall ride quality punches well above what this price should be capable of delivering in 2026. For commuters and weekend riders who want a safe certified e-bike that doesn't drain their bank account, the Jassian EB7 is a straightforward win. 3 e-bikes down and every single one of them makes a $5,000 bike look like a bad financial decision. If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. I break down finds like this every week. The top 2 on this list are the ones that genuinely shocked me the most. Stay with me. Number 2. TST Electric Bike Upgraded. And the word upgraded here is not filler. It actually means something. Upgraded suspension compared to the base model. Upgraded motor output. Upgraded component quality across the build. This is a bike that went back to the drawing board on the parts that actually affect your daily ride and came back better. The power delivery is strong and consistent. Climbs that slow other bikes in this price range down noticeably don't affect the TST in the same way. The suspension handles real terrain, not just smooth pavement with the occasional crack. And the removable battery makes charging practical for people who don't have a garage or outdoor outlet. The frame geometry is comfortable for extended rides. This isn't a bike you dread getting on after the first 20 minutes. It's built for actual use, regular commutes, weekend rides, errands, not just weekend showpieces that live in the garage. This is the bike that makes you genuinely question what you are actually paying for when someone hands you a $5,000 price tag. 6,000 watt peak dual motor e-bike. The 6,000 watt peak dual motor e-bike for adults. 47 miles per hour capable. This is the one. Let's start with the number that matters most. 6,000 watts peak power. Dual motor. Not a single motor trying its best. 2 motors working together, delivering power that puts this bike in a completely different category from everything else on this list. And everything else at 5 times the price. 47 miles per hour. That's not an e-bike number. That is a motorcycle number. And this machine hits it on a bicycle frame at a price that should not be legal. The dual motor setup doesn't give you just speed, it gives you torque, the kind of torque that pulls you up steep hills without hesitation. The kind that handles loose terrain, sand, and technical off-road surfaces the way dedicated trail bikes handle smooth pavement. Both motors work together to deliver power so smoothly and so consistently that the first time you open it up, you'll genuinely question everything you thought you knew about what a budget e-bike is capable of. The top bestseller status isn't an accident. Riders who buy this don't come back to complain. They come back to tell everyone they know. For riders who want the absolute most powerful machine on this list, a dual-motor beast that makes $5,000 e-bikes look like they're standing still, this is the answer. 5 electric bikes. Every single one of them destroys what overpriced brands charge thousands extra for. Quick recap. Best fat tire entry point? Gosio Fat Tire. Best full suspension all-terrain? Hey Bike Ranger. Best UL certified safe commuter? Jassian EB7. Best upgraded everyday rider? TST Electric Upgraded. And the most powerful dual-motor beast on this entire list, capable of 47 miles per hour, that makes every $5,000 e-bike irrelevant? The 6,000-watt Peak dual-motor e-bike. Every link is in the description below. Pick the one that fits how you ride. If this saved you money, subscribe. This is what I do every single week. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're getting. And go watch our last video. You won't regret it.